Welcome to Prep for Lesson 2.6. We're going to review percents and decimals for this. So if you have, let me pull up the calculator, $150 for an item, and then you want to take the percent of that. So 150 is an item that was originally priced for 70. You divide those, multiply by 100 to find what percent was marked off. The general rule is over of equals percent over 100. So if I'm looking at what percent of 40 is 16, of 40 is going to go in the bottom, is 16 is going to go on the top. And then to solve for the percent, we'd multiply by 100. And I'll get 40%. So you do the same formula for the others. Okay, so if a school principal of 870 students wants to figure out how many passed a test, we can do percentages as well. So 590 out of the total, 870, multiply that by 100, that would give us how many passed. And then whatever we got there, we would subtract it from 100. 100 always equals percent, percent is always 100, and that will give us how many failed. So one last thing is in like politics or taking surveys and polls, those use percentages as well. So if there are 435 members of House of Representatives, and those, let's say for whatever reason, decided to be split evenly, which they are not currently, then we would divide by how many representatives there are. So if the population of the state is 9,520,189, then we can use that percentages from part A to figure out how many representatives that state would need. So first we would find out how many, let me write it all out, what percentage of the whole population that is, and then multiply that by how many representatives that percent should get. So times the total number of representatives, which is 435.